And I would like to thank you, Sriram sir, for whatever the money I have achieved for the past. I can say I have joined Sriram sir by the month of December. So I have earned lots of money. Whatever the work I am doing, I am doing that with so much joy and grateful. So I never knew that the work we are doing that we should do with the joy and do with the grateful. So after the evening or the afternoon time, I realized that money is coming to my account. Then I will go to the messages and I'll be seeing like yeah, he gave the money, like that. So I'm so much grateful to you and grateful to all the members in the community. Like I don't have words to express. Like I'm so thankful to you, because if I didn't come to I will not be this much grateful. And I cannot recognize myself. Like I was sitting in home and I'm not doing nothing. So after coming to the YouTube, I came to Sriram for the YouTube work only. But after coming to Sriram, I know how to lead a successful life, and how how we have to earn money also.
Thank you, Chitra, for sharing that. Again, wishing you lots of success. Do you want to share the numbers?
Yeah, after coming to the YouTube and through training, I have learned near to 20 lakhs.
Wow, that's amazing. So congratulations, and
Thank you so much.
wishing you lots of success. You can add one more zero next year in the whole year. Instead of 20 lakhs,
Sure,
it will be over 2 crores in a single year. Thank you,
thank you, Sriram.